The iSD will recommend by default a cleaning in place or CIP setup suited to the water source used in your ultrafiltration system design, but you're free to edit and adapt this too. In this example, we're opening a seawater project to edit its CIP process. It consists of a tank, CIP pump, and the ultrafiltration rack. Here, it's important to adjust the project's specific hold-up volumes according to your CIP system. Inga will define the number of UF modules in one rack and its hold-up volume. The hold-up volume of the CIP piping is only assumed and should be adapted according to your CIP system. With those, you can calculate the chemical consumption for your CIP. Click the yellow cross here to open the Cip Chemicals section. You'll see three different settings. CIP1 shows an organic acid, which you can theoretically mix with an inorganic acid by clicking on it. In this example, we're using just an oxalic acid for a pure organic acid clean. You can change the concentration. Here, it's a powdered chemical, and we assume 100%. For this chemical, we recommend a concentration of 4,000 ppm. You can edit the cleaning frequency, setting it to perhaps once or twice a year. CIP2 consists of a caustic as a base solution mixed with the oxidizing agent sodium hypochlorite. You could also choose other chemicals, such as sodium lauryl sulfate as a surfactant or EDTA as a chelating agent for very special applications. You can also edit your CIP frequency here. Lastly, in CIP3, it's possible to add, as we have here, a pure inorganic acid to polish the ultrafiltration system after the caustic cleaning. Once you've finished editing all CIP sections, you can check the chemical consumption the process will require. Go to the info page, click the Chemical Consumption tab, and you'll see the CIP details at the bottom.